Welcome to Google Workspace for Beginners, a step-by-step guide. Google Workspace is a cloud-based tool that allows you to work seamlessly, from anywhere, at any time. To get started, simply sign up for an account on Google Workspace and set up your profile. Once you've done that, you'll have access to a host of apps, including Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Docs. Gmail is your email app. It's simple to use, and you can access it from anywhere. Google Drive is your online storage space. Here, you can store all kinds of files. Google Docs is your word processor. It's easy to use and allows you to collaborate with others in real time. To get started with Google Docs, simply open it up, choose a template, and start typing. You can even add images and tables. Once you've created your document, you can share it with others. With Google Drive, you can also share folders, so your team can access all the files they need. Google Workspace also includes Google Meet, a video conferencing tool. Perfect for remote work or virtual meetings. In conclusion, Google Workspace is a comprehensive solution that will help you streamline your workflows, increase productivity, and collaborate seamlessly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials.